Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make your laptop battery last longer. So if the battery on your laptop is running out of charge super quickly, then there are a bunch of different things we can do to actually increase the battery life. So what we can do first is go to the settings option of your computer, then click on the system option from here, and then click on the display option from here. So from here you can easily adjust your brightness from here. If you decrease the brightness, it will most likely to save your battery. Then again you have to click on the Bluetooth and devices and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off if you are not using your Bluetooth, because it will take more charges if your Bluetooth is turned on. Then you have to click on the apps, then click on the startup option from here, and then you need to make sure that all of the or maximum of the apps are turned off, because if your apps are in startup, it will take more charges when you turn on your computer. After that you have to click on the start button from here and search for control panel. And when you click on the control panel, just make sure that the view by option is in the large icons, and then you have to click on the power options from here. And here in my computer it's showing balanced, but in your computer you will get more options like high performance or something like power saver. You have to click on the power saver to save your battery. Now, the another method is to apply a shortcut keyword in your keyboard, that is Control plus Shift plus Escape. And when you click on the Control plus Shift plus Escape, you will see all the apps that are running in your computer currently, also the background apps as well. So if you want to turn off any background processes of from here, you can easily click on that specific file and then click on the right click and then click on the end task, and it will most likely to stop the task and it will save your battery. And then you can also save your battery by turning off your Wi-Fi, because it takes much more battery if you turned it on all time. So you can turn it off when you are not using by clicking on here and then clicking on here off. So that's how you can easily make your battery life longer. Thank you very much for watching this video.